Cabinet announces 7th session of Legislative Assembly from February 10th, approves draft tenancy bill and discusses urban housing and mobility plans. Chief Minister N. Bireen Singh lays foundation for 349.51 crore rupees project in Tamilong, including police quarters, roads, eco-tourism facilities and others. 296 years of Puya Meithaban Numit commemorated in key locations of Manipur, including Kangla Fort and Kaino. And High Court directs authorities to ensure safe movement of vehicles on highways and address looting of essential commodities. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. In a key decision taken at today's cabinet meeting held at the Mini Secretariat in Tamilong District, the Manipur government has officially announced that the 7th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly will commence on February 10th. This session is expected to address a range of important legislative matters and shape the state's policy directions in the coming months. Alongside this announcement, the cabinet chaired by Chief Minister N. Bireen Singh also approved the draft Manipur Tenancy Bill 2025, a crucial step towards regulating tenancy laws and ensuring fairness between landlords and tenants in the state. Additionally, discussions focused on the implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0, which will enhance urban housing, and the comprehensive city mobility plan for Imphal and Thobal, aimed at improving transportation infrastructure and reducing congestion in the region. The developments reflect the state government's continued efforts to improve the living standards and infrastructure of Manipur. In a separate public function held prior to the cabinet meeting, Chief Minister N. Bireen Singh laid the foundation stone for 18 new projects worth an estimated 349.51 crore rupees in Tamilong district. The projects include the construction of police quarters in various locations, road improvements, the establishment of eco-tourism facilities, and the creation of Eklava model residential schools in Tosem and Palong. These initiatives are aimed at improving infrastructure and promoting sustainable development in the region. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of timely completion of projects and urged contractors to be sincere in their work, warning that the government would only engage contractors who demonstrate commitment to project deadlines and quality standards. Further highlighting the government's development initiatives, Chief Minister Bireen Singh mentioned the ongoing construction of the Tamilong Mahur Road, National Highway 137, which once completed would provide a direct connection to Assam, bypassing Nagaland for easier access to Guwahati. He also stated that the BJP-led government was focused on fulfilling its promises and maintaining high standards of work quality. In addition to this project, the Chief Minister handed over the blood bank license to Health Director Dr. Chambu Gonmei, noting that Tamilong is the only hill district in the state to have a blood bank. Chief Minister Bireen Singh also inaugurated 24 new projects, including a Bailey suspension bridge over the Barak River, water supply schemes, and a district early intervention center at the district hospital in Tamilong. A devastating fire destroyed a 7-bedroom house belonging to Mr. Lungaingam Gonmei, age 64, of Pongrinlong Part 2 village under the jurisdiction of New Kaitil Manvi Police Station in Kangpopi district. The tragic incident occurred at approximately 11:10 a.m. this morning when the family members had all gone to field for work. The fire, believed to have been caused by an electric short circuit, completely engulfed the house, which was a combination of RCC and wooden construction. According to the family sources, the total value of the property is estimated to exceed 15 lakh rupees. Upon noticing the fire, villagers along with those from neighboring areas rushed to the scene and managed to contain the flames, preventing the fire from spreading to nearby homes. Despite their best efforts, the property was destroyed beyond recovery, marking a significant loss for the Gonmei family. Authorities are investigating the cause of the fire while the family receives support from the local community. Security forces apprehended 2 active members of different proscribed outfits in separate incidents in Imphal, leading to a significant recoveries. Yankom Bojan Singh, age 50 years, of Lilong Chajing Awang Lekai, Imphal West, affiliated with RPF or PLA, was arrested near Mayang Lambam Lampak. From his possession, authorities recovered 1 mobile handset and a wallet containing 1,500 rupees. In another operation on the same day, Pukrambam Thoiba Singh, alias Khairakpa, aged 38 years, from Ngai Khong Kulin Mayai Lekai, Vishnupur district, associated with KCP or MFL, was apprehended opposite E-Cube department store under Haingang Police Station. The operation yielded 1 two-wheeler, 2 mobile handsets, a wallet containing 1,000 rupees, and 1 Aadhaar card. The International Observation Committee on Puya Meitaba today observed the Puya Meitaba Numit, roughly translated as a day of the burning of the Meitei manuscript at the historic Kangla Fort in Imphal. The ceremony aimed to remind the younger generation of the significant cultural and historical implications of the event. Speaking on the occasion, convener of the committee, Moirang Tim Nauton Meitei, he expressed that the commemoration served as a reminder of the loss suffered by the Meitei community and the ongoing efforts to reclaim and protect their indigenous identity. He emphasized the importance of ensuring that the younger generation understands the historical significance of the event in order to preserve the continuity of their cultural heritage. The Puya Meitaba Day is observed annually to honor the resilience of the Meitei people and to keep their cultural legacy alive.
Nasi haruliban harun singam ting dungi miron singna kangong na bamdi layo karba ipaputin thambiram bam yam laba thawai daksi hane khallaba khallaga luna leramba dum ba maiso kayan thambir bukiya singado amu hanna ingal hanna ba amadi amana sangalaga puya singadu phangul lina bamdi puya singadu sangalaga dungi mironda phagi ipaipu singi wanglamba thak singado malemgi myam da sakhangan nabagi adumba forum ama yatoina akhina puya mi thabi thormase hokiba lisimaga Jawab humdraga ni pandegi koigi mongban bada pangthok ba matungda ngasi pangthok chadoriba apaina ya mukun bugi thom pangthok choba ibu kon kalasta leptana miti ne sam khana pangthok na lakhibani adugo miti ne sam khana isang sina pangthok ba dugi amu sogal ko na international observation committee on puya mi thawana lising ani ga tarama thoida sema matungda ngasi di pakchong na pangthok pa thaba se makha chathrai aduga matamada miti ne sam prangi president of the Chicago Yakabna, Puya Mai Tabi Tramsi, Nasigi, Aribukun Kangaki, Apu Vasida, Myanga, Kaya Satrasini, Tamigi, Sinkayana, Salaga, Aduma Tramsi Patuna, not Maria Nava Taronga Pantokta Silambani, Aduki Mayo and Asidi, London Simi, the Missina, Ipa Pusibun Sirapa, London Sibun Sirapa, Mariba Pun Sirapamdi, Long Maripun Sirpaki, Mayo and Asidi, London Masigi, Kogi, Isra Shusina, Amadi Tungi Monsing the Makta. Honaribo, Nasiki Mahirusina, Master Gitapok Tamdana, Pishti Tapo Yogan City, Maliam de Akogi Londonsi, Lord Mudimaya, Saktapoda, Aso Pidama, Kanbangam Jerevasa, Repaksa, Sansom Malangiam de Tamjari.
A parallel event was also held at Kano's Lam Ahingba Lampak under the theme Remember, Review and Revive for Love, Peace and Integrity. The event was kicked off with the hoisting of the Salai Tarit flag by the chairman of the International Observation Committee on Puya Meithaba, Nongdren Khomba. The commemoration has been held continuously since the last 47 years. The High Court of Manipur, in a recent directive, has instructed the formation of joint committees comprising various agencies, including district magistrates, to ensure the smooth movement of vehicles and adequate security on National Highway 2 and 37. This follows a public interest litigation filed by Y. Mangi Singh, a 68-year-old resident of Imphal East District, highlighting rampant looting of essential commodities, including life-saving drugs and daily necessities, by mobs obstructing highway traffic. The PIL names multiple respondents, including the Union of India, the state of Manipur, and key law enforcement officials. Other respondents include the Director General of Police, the Security Advisor, and senior officials from Assam Rifles, the Border Road Organization, and the 57 Mountain Division. The petitioner has called for immediate intervention to safeguard fundamental rights under Article 19 and 21 of the Constitution, citing disruptions caused by burning tires, stone barricades, and mob interference. The court has directed the respondents to submit an affidavit detailing measures to enforce law and order and ensure uninterrupted vehicular movement. The matter is scheduled for its next hearing on February 18th. The Janata Dal United in Manipur reaffirmed its withdrawal of the support to the BJP-led government in the state by sending a letter to the governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla today. JDU State President KSH Biren in a release stated that the sitting arrangement for the party's lone MLA MD Abdul Nair was placed on the opposition's bench during the last assembly sessions after the party joined the India bloc. He reiterated that JDU had formally informed the office of the governor, the leader of the house, the chief minister, and the speaker about this decision to withdraw support to the BJP government. The JDU also emphasized that a pending case under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution is being heard in Speaker's Tribunal concerning 5 of its MLAs who defected to the BJP after the 2022 state elections. JDU had won 6 seats in the 60-member Manipur Assembly, but only MD Nair, elected from Lilong, did not join the BJP. The Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, in Imphal, Manipur has been officially included in the list of Centers of Excellence COE for rare diseases, making it the first such center in the Northeast and the 13th in India. This designation recognizes RIMS as the premier government tertiary hospital equipped with state-of-the-art facilities for the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of rare diseases. Patients seeking treatment for rare conditions can now approach these centers of excellence with the added benefits of financial support of up to 50 lakh rupees per patient under the National Policy for Rare Diseases. The policy covers 63 rare diseases approved for treatment at these centers. RIMS Imphal's inclusion follows 4 rigorous inspections conducted by a panel of experts, underscoring the hospital's adherence to high-quality standards and its capacity to deliver specialized care. This development is expected to significantly improve access to medical services for patients with rare diseases in the region. Assam DGP Gyanendra Pratap Singh, in a post on his X handle, expressed his gratitude after the Manipur government honored 9 senior Assam police officials during the celebration of Manipur's 53rd statehood day. The recognition was for their significant contribution to training Manipur police recruits at Dirgaon. The ceremony, held at the 1st Battalion Manipur Rifle Ground in Imphal, was described by the DGP as a great privilege. He extended congratulations to the team of Assam Police for their efforts. The DGP also praised the vision of Assam Chief Minister, which has elevated coordination among Northeast police agencies to a new level. Although the DGP was not present at the event, Assam IGP Akhilesh Kumar Singh attended the ceremony on behalf of the Assam Police at the invitation of the Manipur government. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh presented a letter of appreciation to IGP, acknowledging the valuable role played by Assam Police in enhancing the training capacities of Manipur Police. The IGP also extended his wishes on Manipur Statehood Day, noting that the training initiative was a significant step towards strengthening the capabilities of law enforcement in the region. In the view of 76th Republic Day, for its smooth celebrations on the 26th January, the Traffic Police Control Police Wing of Manipur has issued notification for traffic diversion of all general public vehicles flying towards Imphal on 24th and 26th January from 6:30 a.m. till the function is over. However, there shall be no diversion for those vehicles engaged in emergency duty and services. According to a notice issued by SP Traffic Control Police Wing Manipur, heavy vehicles coming from Lilong side towards Singjamay shall be diverted towards Pishumthong, and other public vehicles coming towards Moirangkhom shall be diverted towards Kaishamthong Bridge. Vehicles coming from Mayang Imphal Road towards Kaishampat shall be diverted either towards Tidim Line or Wahengbam Lekai. Vehicles coming from Koirengay towards Kongnangani Karab shall be diverted either towards Dinghu Road or Assembly Road. Vehicles coming from Imphal East towards Sanjengthong and Minuthong shall be diverted towards Lamlong Bridge, Loklao Bung, Thumbu Thong and Singjamay Bridge. Vehicles coming from Uripo Kangchub Road towards Flyover Bridge shall be diverted towards Nagamapal. And vehicles coming from New Kasar Road shall be diverted either at Nagamapal or Kaishampat. And those coming from Tidim Road towards Kaishampat will be diverted either towards Wahengbam Lekai or Mayang Imphal Road. Those coming from Koyatong, Thangmayban towards LIC crossing shall be diverted towards Nagamapal, and those coming from Kuman Lampak and MMTA towards North AOC crossing shall be diverted at MMTA crossing towards Minuthong. Kangpokpi district marked the 10th anniversary of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign at a ceremony led by Deputy Commissioner Shri Mahesh Chaudhary IAS. The celebration, which began on today, will run until 8th March, featuring various activities aimed at raising awareness on gender equality and empowering girls. The district program officer highlighted the positive impact of the initiative on overcoming gender biases and promoting girls' education. Upcoming events include awareness campaigns, menstrual hygiene promotion, gender sensitization workshops, and a plantation drive with forest officials. Additionally, co-curriculum activities, skill development workshops, and career counseling will be organized in Kangpokpi, Modbung, and Saitkul. DC Chaudhary urged officials to support the celebrations, which will also honor meritorious Class 10 and 12 girls during the 76th Republic Day. A pledge was administered in the presence of senior officials, emphasizing the importance of collective efforts for gender equality. A similar function was also held at Churachandpur district, organized by its district administration. Ukhrul district also commemorated 10 years relentless effort to protect, educate and empower the girl child in India under Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme with a motorcycle rally at the town and an awareness workshop. The additional district magistrate of Ukhrul, Kajai Gai Gangme, graced the 10th anniversary of the launching of the scheme. He also flagged off the motorcycle rally from the mini secretariat complex. The motorcycle rallies carried placards to sensitive the importance of girl child. The program was organized by the Ukhrul District Administration in collaboration with ICDS, One Stop Center and District Hub for Empowerment of Women. In a parallel celebration, the District Administration of Jiribam, led by Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar, organized a bike rally to mark the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. The rally, which started from the DC office, was attended by officials and students, aiming to raise awareness on the importance of saving the girl child and empowering women. The rally, which featured a wide participation of district officials and students from Jiribam College, focused on engaging the community in spreading the message of gender equality. Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar addressed the participants, urging them to continue supporting initiatives that promote the welfare of girls and women in the region. The event also highlighted the district administration's commitment to the success of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign in Jiribam. In an effort to foster goodwill and strengthen relationships with local communities, the 112th Battalion CRPF organized a civic action program in S. Poibung Village, Kangpopi District today. The event was conducted under the leadership of Vipul Kumar, IG of CRPF Manipur and Nagaland sector, with the guidance of Manish Kumar Sakhar, DIG Operations Kangpopi, and the overall supervision of Pramod Kumar Sahu, Commandant of 112th Battalion CRPF. The program saw the participation of around 120 villages, including the village chief and members of the village authority, alongside senior CRP officers. The village chief expressed appreciation for the CRPF's role in maintaining stability and safety in the region and stressed the importance of building stronger ties between the central forces and local communities. During the event, various items such as sport equipment, solar lamps, school bags and sanitation supplies were distributed to the villages. Local youth and women performed cultural dances and songs, adding to the festive atmosphere. The villagers thanked the CRPF for organizing the event, hoping for more such community-focused initiatives in the future.
The main aim of the program is to strengthen the bonding between the local villagers and forces and civil police. As our unit is deployed in Kangpopi district since last 3-4 months, replacing Assam Rifles, we are penetrating interior parts of the district so that we will be able to bring peace and tranquility in the area with the help of the local populace.
Before we go, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Cabinet announces 7 sessions of Legislative Assembly from February 10th, approves draft tenancy bill and discusses urban housing and mobility plans. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh lays foundation for 349.51 crore rupees projects in Tamenglong, including police quarters, roads, eco-tourism facilities and others. 296 years of Puya Meithaban Numit commemorated in key locations of Manipur, including Kangla Fort and Kaino. And High Court directs authorities to ensure safe movement of vehicles on highways and address looting of essential commodities. That is all the news we have at the moment. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Stay tuned as more news updates will be coming up at 8 p.m. Until then, have a good evening.